Welcome to CoinBook. My name is Calvin Waite, and I'm a professional crypto trader. I really like getting feedback from you guys about the market, what you're trading, successes, failures, so I'm going to go ahead and start giving out a t-shirt every week now. What I'll do is I'll look at all comments from Thursday to Thursday, and then Friday select a random winner. Well, good morning, everybody. I hope you had a nice weekend. Wow, what a crazy weekend. There's plenty to talk about today. So anyway, we are still in the green zone. We've been here for 83 days now. And look at our nice triangle that we've been following. This was something that we pointed out before the weekend, which allowed us all to relax. So our triangle's holding really nicely. In fact, we had two more support points on our candle, or on our triangle, and the resolution of this triangle will most likely dictate the direction we head. So decision day is January 25th, so that gives us a week. We will be, within a week, we'll be outside of this triangle. So we're watching this nice and close. The weekly close, if I turn off some of this, you can really see the consolidation that's happening. But yeah, first weekly close that had at least a decent red candle, 6% versus 1% and 1%. So things are starting to get a little shaky. We'll see what really happens, but so far so good. Well, this is quite the interesting turn of events here. We're looking at the total market cap in Bitcoin. Well, excluding Bitcoin, but it's priced in Bitcoin. Look at this. So I left this channel in here just curious to see if it would ever come into play. And interestingly enough, as we broke out of our low and we're starting to move into alt season here, looks like we hesitated right at the line. Just interesting how these things come back into play. But man, there are some really interesting things that are happening. So this is very, very cool. But this is even cooler. So this is our Bitcoin dominance chart. So it's essentially the inverse of this market cap in Bitcoin. But because this is a natural chart, I can show you my the indicator. So normally, if we're trading this Calvin moving averages indicator, we would, this is Bitcoin dominance, but normally we would go long at the exit of the red zone. So this is when our Bitcoin season really began, and the alts absolutely sold off. And that lasts until the end of the green zone, which happened this last weekend. So we are officially, like, this is where you would be exiting if this was something you would be trading. So this is a huge deal. So this move out of the green zone says that there is likely some downside on Bitcoin dominance. And if you look at the others, look what's happened here. Where the others dominance was down in this red zone, it has exited the red zone. So the others dominance is exiting the red zone, which makes this the perfect entry. This is the perfect entry to alt season. So 2 days ago, where we started buying like crazy, this is where it all begins. Oh, this is going to be awesome, guys. There are a lot of alts that are just really on the move. and they have been for the past 2 days. So this tiny little move here is just the beginning. Here's to a nice, awesome alt season. So off we go to work, just trying to stay productive. Nobody's watching the altcoin markets all day long. Nope, just trying to stay busy, stay focused. We don't want to, we don't want to miss anything as we work so hard. Okay, time for rapid fire. BCH. We are playing with the 50. We are trying to exit the red zone. We need to exit this red zone and get out of it. And hopefully this might be the time to do it. Ethereum. We are above this range. And now we're consolidating. What's even better is that we're above this range. Let me put my lines back in. We're above this range. And I guess there's an argument that now that we've got resistance here, our line probably could be moved up to about right there. But you can see that we broke above it and we found that section as support. So this is very bullish. BSV is having a couple of little bit of momentum. We'll see if we can get another test of this high here in the next few days. Litecoin finally having a little bit of a turnaround here, but nothing to really brag about. Just the fact that we had touched this bottom here, and hopefully we can bounce off of that. We got some work to go on there. Tron is not quite ready. BAT is ready. This is one I bought yesterday. This one is there's no denying that there's a change that has happened here. How long it'll last and how high it'll go, I'm not sure, but this price point is pretty awesome. ADA. Cardano, we broke above not only our 931, but we also broke above our 1,000 mark. So today we came down and tested it as support. So this is looking awesome. This is looking really awesome. I'm pretty excited about this trade. Cardano's looking great. Lumen is decent. We're starting to move up a bit here. If we can get above this high, we're going to see another run, which would be awesome. Ethereum Classic, I bought in a few days ago, and we're kind of still in a consolidation. We'll see which direction that ends up going. The Link trade has been really nice. We got rejected off the 50-week, but found support on the 50. So this exit of the red zone sets us up nice. So we're being patient. We'll see how this plays out. Neo turned out to be a good idea. This has been a good trade so far. Look at this thing coming out. Atom is one I bought yesterday. Since we had exited the red zone, this one is a buy. So we'll see where this one takes us. Digibyte is still not ready. Steam is very ready. I think this is one I'll be buying today. BTS. Waves is really choppy. This one came down too hard. I'm not buying this because it's too volatile right now. I think there's some downside before we find consolidation and footing. XEM, not quite ready. Decred, this coin finally. So on a weekly chart, we did close above the 50. So exiting the red zone on a weekly chart is crazy long-term bullish. This is amazing. We have struggled for weeks, months to get above the 50, and last week, yesterday, we finally closed above the 50. We have a little touch for support. Amazing. This is going to be a really nice trade. So we're still in this trade ever since we exited the red zone here. So this one's looking nice. This Firo is launching. Man, I actually tried to buy this thing at 1,400 and I only bought a little bit. and it's just running away from me. So that's crappy. But what a great move this is. We're probably going to find a little bit of slowing right here. 25,000 Satoshis. 0x is when I entered, and now yesterday we exited the red zone. H-bar is another one I'm in. We've exited the red zone here. Loom is another one we entered. It was back here that we entered, and now we are having a sweet day. This is really nice. There's just so many good coins going on. Hive is getting close. It's one I'll be buying soonish. But this is mana. We're already in mana, and look at this. Look at this structure. Higher lows and a flat top. Oh man, that thing is ready to explode. That'll be really a good trade. So just going down the list, like just everything looks good. You know, this is the type of market where you can throw a dart at the dartboard and you make money. So welcome to alt season. This is what we're looking for. Here's my gross Zen trade where I got in around here. I was actually right in here, and boy, that thing looks pretty decent today. 50% gain on that bad boy. That's pretty nice. Comp is another one we're in. Oh, it's just going crazy. So anyway, I could go down the list. I recently bought Raven Coin, so that's one I bought yesterday. We'll see how that one goes. Library credits, that one is looking great. There's just a huge list of the DeFi coins. I know we've had some real strong moves. Congratulations to people that are in DOT. My goodness, look at that thing go. This is 100% gain from these bottoms. So it has absolutely launched. RSR is having an amazing day today, and this structure is incredible. If we can get above this, we're likely to see a solid upside. The other one is CRV. Man, CRV had a crazy day yesterday. This past few days, finally get above the 50, and it just absolutely launched. This is a huge gain from our baseline, the top of the baseline at 200, well, 2,000 Satoshis, since we're missing a zero. But we went all the way up to 5,000 Satoshis. Like that's a double and a half to the top of this move. Interesting, we got rejected right on this line here, but I don't think we're going to see the last of this. If we have a nice swing low and a retest, we will be above it for sure. So congratulations to everyone who has the guts to be in altcoins. They are paying off today. Okay, it is time to separate the CoinBook trolls from the CoinBook fans. So these are the magnificent t-shirts that we are giving away every Friday. These are individually packaged with love from your best friends, China. There's also this incredible option designed by yours truly, and we'll be giving away probably one or two of these every Friday to just a random comment on any of the videos over the past week. But, and I don't blame you, if you absolutely cannot live without one of these shirts, I am willing to part with them for $15 worth of your favorite crypto. Just reach out to me on social media and we'll get you guys hooked up.